the motherfucking deal, know what I'm saying? It's 10 or 4, nigga. How low hit him anyway. Know what I'm saying? I'm in this bitch with my niggas, dog. Got it, boys, nigga. G-O-T-T-I, nigga. We thuggin' out here, nigga. Don't give a fuck about niggas, bitches, or whatever. But shit, I love the bitches too, though. But fuck all that, nigga. My nigga Slim got the camera, he got the mixtape out. Fuck with that boy, know what I'm saying? First round knockout. Knock these niggas out in the first round. Respect to the checker, nigga. We out here. Take us home, baby. You know what I'm saying? I ain't tripping. Free Mike got it. Know what I'm saying? This what this video for. Mike got it. Nigga,
Free Mike got it.
You know what I'm saying?
Free Mike got it. I had to, when I heard that was when I had to jump in because it's Free Mike got it. You out here in Q-Stick and it's going down. Mike got it. If you was here, you'd probably have a foe. You'll probably post some Patron in it and you'll do it like that. Sip here and we couldn't tell you nothing. So we're going to do it like that until you get back. Free Mike got it. Fofo. Take us home. Nigga sit on Wednesday.
It's going down, nigga.